Hi, I'm Dr. Terry Simpson. I'm a weight loss surgeon trying to keep you out of my operating room, and I'm culinary medicine certified. So today's easy recipe is something my son calls taco soup, which is simple and easy to make. I'll show it to you now. Like any recipe, we start out with some sauteing onions. We're just going to saute them until they're nice and clear. Just going to add a few mushrooms, just because it makes it meaty. Oh, that's a lot of mushrooms. Adding mushrooms is going to give it a lot of extra flavor, and don't worry about the size. The water will come out of them very quickly. So do you know why I add mushrooms, April?
Why?
Because I'm a fun guy.
Oh.
Adding a little bit of garlic here. We're just going to stir that up until you can smell it. As soon as you can smell it through the TikTok, let me know. So next, you put in the seasoning with the onions. You can use taco seasoning, which is the easy way to do it. I make my own, and the recipe's on terrysimpson.com. Once you put in the seasoning, you'll start smelling it right away. You just want to get it combined with those onions and that olive oil. That's just going to make a delicious smell. This is the basis for our soup. So I took a can of garbanzo beans, kidney beans, and some red beans, and I rinsed them and put them in here, and we're just going to add them to our mix. And to all of that, I'm going to add 4 cups of water. You don't need a fancy stock. And then some diced tomatoes that also have some green chilies in it. And now we're just going to let this come to a boil. Hey, does that look delicious or what? It was a little bit soupy for me, so I added about a 1/4 cup of rice, let it sit in there, and the rice soaks it up beautifully. But you can do whatever you want. This is like a taco. You can add your favorite things to a taco. What are we going to add to ours? Well, I'm going to put a little bit of lemon juice in it. I'm going to throw a little bit of avocado in it. I might put a little creme fraiche in it. If you want to put something like hamburger in it, you can. I'm also going to add some tortilla chips in there because I like that crunch. This is taco soup. It is a blank canvas for you to make however you like to make it.